It's confirmed the coronavirus outbreak is now a pandemic.
We're deeply concerned both by the alarming levels of spread and severity and by the alarming levels of inaction. We have therefore made the assessment that COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
Outside China, Europe has more cases and casualties than any other region. In Italy, one of the worst affected countries, the pace of life is changing as people queue up to enter supermarkets. With fewer virus cases, there aren't any travel restrictions in the UK, but the government is preparing for tough times ahead. The new finance minister has set aside $38 billion to combat the pandemic.
Up to a fifth of the working age population could need to be off work at any one time. And business supply chains are being disrupted around the globe. This combination of people being unable to work and businesses being unable to access goods will mean that for a period, our productive capacity will shrink.
Germany's Chancellor has warned up to 70% of the population will be infected if things continue as they are.
When the virus is out there, the population has no immunity and no therapy exists. Then 60 to 70% of the population will be infected as long as this situation continues as it is.
Iran's government has found it hard too. Confirmation on Wednesday that 63 people died overnight. Usually, Iranians are among the 5 million Shia Muslims who visit the pilgrimage center in Najaf, Iraq. Now, only locals are allowed to enter as the province is practically closed off.
Security forces have decided to close all entries into Najaf province, except for residents, goods, as well as emergency and important cases.
Wuhan, the Chinese city at the epicenter of the virus, is still almost deserted.
Everything's changed, from how we go shopping to how we manage the house. Everything's changed. Everybody's taken the time to adjust, and we all have adjusted. It's a case of people doing the best with what they have.
But changes are happening, slowly. Supermarkets and pharmacies in Wuhan have reopened, and people are beginning to return to work for the first time since January. Iolo, Daffyd, TRT World.